Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bigbasket app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bigbasket is one of India's leading online grocery delivery apps, offering a wide range of products including fresh fruits, vegetables, dairy, packaged food, household items, and personal care essentials. The app allows users to shop from the comfort of their homes, schedule deliveries, and even choose express delivery for faster service. It also provides subscription options for frequently purchased items and multiple payment methods for convenience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Bigbasket is widely appreciated for its vast product selection, reliable delivery service, and user-friendly interface. Many users find it helpful for saving time, avoiding crowded markets, and getting fresh groceries delivered directly to their doorstep. The Smart Cart, order history, and scheduled delivery features also make shopping smoother. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users have reported issues with delivery slots during peak times, occasional delays, and product availability varying by location. There can also be concerns about packaging quality and replacement of missing items. Additionally, while delivery charges are reasonable, smaller orders may incur extra fees. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Bigbasket app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient, time-saving way to shop for groceries and household essentials. It shines in product variety, delivery options, and ease of use. However, if you live in areas with limited coverage or prefer to personally check freshness before buying, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.